Wait, is this really a Rolls Royce? What you're about to see is not just a car wash, it is one of the most satisfying luxury car restorations ever captured on camera. Layers of dirt, muddy wheels, stained paint, and neglected details have completely hidden the beauty of this ultra-luxury machine. But today, everything changes. Sit back, relax, turn up the volume, and enjoy over 30 minutes of pure ASMR car cleaning satisfaction as this filthy Rolls Royce gets transformed back into rolling perfection. There is something almost painful about seeing a luxury vehicle like a Rolls Royce covered in grime. In the United States, Rolls Royce vehicles represent prestige, elegance, and automotive excellence. These cars are built with unmatched craftsmanship, handcrafted interiors, and mirror-like paint finishes that demand attention everywhere they go. So when one ends up looking completely destroyed by dirt, road grime, brake dust, and neglect, the transformation process becomes even more dramatic and satisfying. From the very first moment, the wheels tell the whole story. Thick black brake dust has completely taken over the rims, hiding the original finish underneath years of contamination. That is where the cleaning process begins. A heavy application of P&S Brake Buster attacks the dirt instantly, loosening stubborn grime while the wheel brush reaches deep into every corner. The foam starts turning brown as years of buildup melt away, creating one of the most visually satisfying moments in the entire detail. Next comes the tire treatment using CARPRO ReTyre and a dedicated tire brush. The amount of old tire dressing and embedded dirt being removed is unbelievable. Every scrub reveals a fresh, deep black rubber surface underneath. The transformation is immediate. This is not just cleaning, this is restoration. One of the best parts of any ASMR detailing video is the sound design. The soft spray of water, the thick foam cannon blasts, the gentle brushing sounds, and the smooth wiping motions create an oddly relaxing experience for viewers around the world. In the USA especially, ASMR car detailing videos have exploded in popularity because people enjoy the calming effect while watching extreme transformations happen in real time. It feels therapeutic. Every pressure wash pass removes stress along with dirt. The gentle snow foam stage completely changes the look of the vehicle. Thick white foam blankets the Rolls Royce from top to bottom like fresh snow. The dirt begins sliding off the paint as the foam slowly drips downward. Combined with cinematic slow-motion shots and crisp ASMR audio, this becomes one of the most satisfying moments in the entire process. The MJJC Foam Cannon PRO creates an even layer of rich foam that clings perfectly to the surface, helping lift contamination safely without damaging the paint. As the wash mitt glides across the body panels, the true paint color slowly returns. Underneath all the mud and contamination is the signature luxury shine Rolls Royce is famous for. Every pass reveals glossy reflections hidden for who knows how long. The transformation becomes more shocking with every minute. The smaller details are where true professional detailing really shines. Using boar's hair detailing brushes and CARPRO XL detailing brushes, every badge, grille section, trim piece, mirror housing, and emblem gets individually cleaned by hand. These areas are usually ignored during regular car washes, but in high-end detailing, precision matters. Every inch counts. One of the most iconic features of any Rolls Royce is the massive front grille and Spirit of Ecstasy emblem. Watching years of dirt carefully cleaned from these legendary luxury symbols is incredibly satisfying. The chrome slowly begins reflecting light again, bringing the front end back to life. It almost looks like the car is waking up after years of neglect. Then comes the pressure rinse, one of the most loved parts of any detailing video. Streams of dirty foam slide off the vehicle, revealing a dramatically cleaner surface underneath. The contrast is unbelievable. The once dull and lifeless paint now reflects the environment like a mirror. It becomes impossible to look away. The wheel restoration process deserves special attention because luxury wheels can completely transform a car's appearance. Once cleaned, the rims finally reveal their original finish and intricate design. Combined with freshly restored tires, the Rolls Royce instantly starts looking expensive again. This is why tire and wheel cleaning is such a huge part of professional detailing in America's luxury car scene. After the main wash process, the vehicle receives protection using CARPRO Hydro 2. This advanced sealant creates incredible hydrophobic behavior, causing water to bead and slide effortlessly off the surface. Not only does it improve gloss, but it also protects the paint from future contamination. Watching water instantly repel from the surface during the rinse is another satisfying ASMR moment viewers absolutely love. Drying the vehicle with the 1500 heavy-duty drying towel brings out the final gloss. The soft microfiber towel glides gently across the paint, leaving behind a flawless shine without scratches. At this stage, the transformation is almost unbelievable. The same vehicle that looked abandoned at the beginning now looks ready for a luxury showroom in Beverly Hills or Miami. The glass cleaning process using Chemical Guy's glass cleaner and waffle weave glass towels adds the finishing touch. Crystal clear windows make the entire car look newer and sharper. Even the smallest streaks disappear, creating a spotless finish from every angle. But what truly makes these ASMR detailing videos special is not just the cleaning itself, it is the emotional transformation. There is something deeply satisfying about taking something neglected and bringing it back to life. Viewers feel connected to the process. Every layer of dirt removed feels rewarding. Every glossy reflection feels earned. Luxury car detailing culture in the USA has become massive over the past few years. Millions of people watch detailing videos daily because they combine relaxation, craftsmanship, transformation, and automotive passion into one experience. Whether someone loves cars or not, it is hard not to enjoy watching a filthy Rolls Royce return to perfection. This extended 30-minute experience is designed for true ASMR lovers. No unnecessary talking, no distractions. Just pure detailing sounds, satisfying visuals, deep cleaning action, and luxury restoration therapy. Perfect for relaxing after a long day, studying, sleeping, or simply enjoying one of the dirtiest Rolls Royce transformations ever filmed. By the end of the process, the difference is unbelievable. The paint glows under the light, the wheels shine. The chrome sparkles, the tires look factory fresh. Every surface has been carefully restored with patience and professional-grade products. This Rolls Royce no longer looks forgotten, it looks legendary again. If you enjoyed this insanely satisfying luxury car transformation, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another extreme ASMR detailing restoration. Drop a comment below and tell us which part of the cleaning process was your favorite. The snow foam, wheel cleaning, pressure washing, or final reveal. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow car lovers, because every true automotive fan deserves to experience this level of satisfaction.